What's going on, everyone? Have you been thinking about or looking at the brand new Sony A6400? Or maybe you just want to see the unboxing of it? Stick around and we'll do the unboxing after this amazing intro. Welcome to Easy Choice Reviews, where I do the tech reviews to help give you an easy choice. Today we're going to be unboxing the A6400 with kit lens, 18 to 135 millimeter kit lens. I will let you know that I'm new to photography, but that's exactly why I got this camera, so I can get started in learning all this. Sony 6400 with kit lens. Let's get started. Okay, so here we go. I've been waiting so long for this camera. I first saw it a couple months ago. I've been waiting ever since. Looks like we register our product and we can enter to win $100. Looks like we got some accessories you can buy. I'm sure we have already bought a few or will buy some. You've got your limited 1-year warranty, specifications on your 18 to 135 millimeter, a reference guide, interchangeable lens camera setup. These are E-mount cameras. Looks like that's the same thing, the setup guide in different languages. Now we get to the meat and potatoes. Looks like we have an eye guard. We've got a strap. Looks like it's got some kind of coating on the backside, some non-slip coating. We've got a micro USB to USB. That's for charging. We've got a battery. We've got the plug-in for the USB charger. Oh, look at how pretty that is. That is light. I really like that. You know, I had a hard time seeing how this was going to fit in my hand in the stores. I went to Best Buy and tried some of the 6000s and the 6300, 6500. And they put these brackets in here, security features, so that you can't get to them. So it was really hard. I was not sure if I was going to like the feel of that, but I really do like the feel of that. And boy, that is light. We'll have to do a feature video down the road on a lot of the features that it has. I've been reading up on it, but I'm sure as I progress, we'll get a lot better. Looks like this is a hood for the lens. And the last thing we have is the lens itself. It's at 18 to 35 millimeter with a 3.5 to a 5.6 aperture. It's got that optical steady shot. Actually, it's really nice and smooth. I like that. And there it is. That's the entire unboxing of the A6400. I can't wait to get into this. Well, there you go, guys. There's my Sony A6400, and I hope to be able to use this to its full potential. Like I said, I am learning at this point, learning videography and photography, and I hope to be able to fill the shoes that this camera can handle. I know that it's a great camera for a lot of things, and something that I can really grow into. So I'm extremely excited to get started using it, and I hope that the future videos are done on it. So go ahead and let me know in the comments down below if you think this was a good choice. Also, I did want to mention I got the 18 to 135 millimeter lens for this, the kit lens. I did also order a 16 millimeter Sigma 1.4 aperture. I think that's going to be a great starting lens, prime lens for me to shoot at night, maybe even shoot some videos, take some good photographs and stuff. So let me know if that was a good buy, or if you guys recommend something else, what you think it should be, or what should my next lens be. Go ahead and let me know down below, like I said, and I appreciate you guys hanging in there. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe. Click the bell notification next to the subscribe button after you subscribe. That way you get your future notifications. You can also follow us on Twitter at reviews_easy, as well as Instagram and Facebook at Easy Choice Solutions. And I look forward to your comments. We'll see you in the next video.